STRATAFOLIO is a cloud-based software solution designed specifically for people who own or manage real estate, want a complete solution, and want to streamline their operations to save time, reduce manual work, and improve profits. STRATAFOLIO seamlessly integrates to QuickBooks and can also receive data from your third-party property managers through spreadsheet uploads. STRATAFOLIO provides a complete asset property management and analytics solution. Our technology eliminates the need for creating and managing complex and time-consuming spreadsheets. With STRATAFOLIO, we connect people, processes, and data into a single location, giving you a global view of your entire portfolio, as well as individual assets in real time. On average, customers reduce their manual work by 80%, and 9 out of 10 clients we work with uncover lost revenue opportunities immediately, which in most cases pays for the software for multiple years in the future. This results in increased ROI from operations and allows the owners to redirect their time to focus on growing the business. We automate your real estate business in 4 major areas. Financial management. You get a real-time global view of your cash flow and loans for your entire organization. Operations management. Get alerts and automate your lease management, bulk invoicing, certificate of insurance management, work orders, and give your tenants access through the tenant portal so they can pay with ACH. Asset management. Manage all your files in one place, track all your assets and metrics for your entire portfolio, or drill down. Investor management. Give your investors login access so they can see how their investments are performing and track their contributions and distributions. First, we will talk about how we help you with global financial management. Let's face it, the world of real estate moves fast. STRATAFOLIO provides you with a real-time view of your global financials for cash flow and debt, and we do this without any additional manual effort on your part through our seamless bidirectional integration with QuickBooks. Make decisions and answer questions for your lenders or your investors with confidence and without delay. Once connected to QuickBooks, you'll be able to understand your financial metrics at a global scale for all your companies, or drill down to a single company or asset through our interactive dashboard, meaning you change one element and everything else updates. You will save hours of manual effort and you will gain valuable insights in real time. With STRATAFOLIO's loan dashboard, you will see critical metrics to help you run your business and get the best loan rates when talking to your lenders. Here, you can see your total asset value, total debt, total equity, plus loan to value and debt coverage ratio. All this data is also automatically updated through QuickBooks through your integration, so you don't have to waste time updating this data on a regular basis. Need to prepare a personal financial statement for your lender? Just select what you want to show, export, and share. Next, we will walk through the various ways we help you with operations management. Our goal at STRATAFOLIO is to automate the manual tasks that take time and effort for you and your team. We know how important and time-sensitive certain aspects of your business are, so we remind you about them before they happen. We'll show you visually throughout the system and send you email alerts so you know when a lease is about to expire based on your preference or before a lease escalation goes into effect. Also know when a loan will mature or when a certificate of insurance is about to expire. We help you proactively manage your business. Just click on your alert and view it. There is no need to manage your leases in error-prone spreadsheets and disconnected systems. Manage your leases efficiently with our lease management functionality. Have everything you need in one easy-to-access location, accessible from anywhere in the world. The lease abstract contains the most vital high-level information regarding the lease. There are additional tabs to streamline your operations as well. Track your certificate of insurance by selecting which insurances are required. Track all tenant-related files, payments, invoices, and operating expenses for each lease. Simplify the onboarding of new team members and make information accessible for your entire team. If you deal with common area maintenance, otherwise known as CAM, you know once someone says it's time to do CAM reconciliation, you immediately get that uneasy feeling. It doesn't have to be that way. With STRATAFOLIO, you can track complex or simple CAM structures, allowing you to complete your CAM reconciliation in 3 simple clicks. Imagine doing CAM for your entire company in a few minutes instead of weeks or months. Our core is automation, simplicity, and analytics. Next, let's talk invoicing. You don't have to manually enter any of your past invoices into STRATAFOLIO. Once connected to QuickBooks, you will be able to view all past invoices for as long as you have been tracking them, saving you hundreds of hours on onboarding. And going forward, you will be able to gain huge time savings through our bulk invoicing functionality. We apply the most current lease escalation and operating expense recovery amounts to your invoices when you generate them in STRATAFOLIO. Eliminate costly missed lease escalations for good. Are you tired of manually creating and updating your rent roll? We got you covered. With STRATAFOLIO, you can produce a rent roll for your entire organization or specific entities in seconds to share with your lenders, investors, or for your own analysis. Regardless of what type of real estate you deal with, you should expect to have work orders, either performed by your team or an outside vendor. STRATAFOLIO provides a restricted access login for maintenance support, so your maintenance crew can perform assigned work. Lastly, the reporting and auditing functionality of the work order system allows you to improve your process by understanding where time delays occur in your service request process. A tenant portal is a great way for you to improve your tenant retention. Give your tenants access to their own portal where they can access their lease details, upload files, certificates of insurance, or choose to do a one-time payment or reoccurring payments via ACH. As the owner, you can choose to absorb the ACH fees or pass those fees along to your tenants. Now we will talk through the various ways we help you with asset management. Asset management is a vital part of running your business. Most teams waste a ton of time searching for files through filing cabinets, shared drives, or filed storage structures that only the person that created it understands. Managing files this way reduces productivity. When you use STRATAFOLIO, your team can upload any type of file from anywhere. Each file can then be categorized for easy retrieval from a centralized location. Want to find investor documents or building permits? No problem. We make it easy for you to find, view, or download any file you need. Managing all your assets within your real estate portfolio can be challenging. STRATAFOLIO makes it easy for anyone within your organization to look at all your asset information from a high level or drill down to a single legal entity, asset, or unit. We track vital information to help you manage your assets so you don't have to waste time answering questions for investors, lending institutions, or when analyzing different asset classes across your portfolio. For most companies, this information is scattered across emails, spreadsheets, and electronic files, or even filing cabinets. With STRATAFOLIO, all your information is organized for easy access. Lastly, we address how we help you with investor management. STRATAFOLIO utilizes a cutting-edge approach to investor management and tracking. Whether you have a complicated cascading ownership structure where you have one legal entity that owns another legal entity, and then that legal entity owns another, and so on, or all your assets reside within the same entity. Any way you have it, we can handle it. Avoid the time-consuming activity of searching through different electronic and paper records to piece together key information about all your investors or what legal entities each investor is invested in. STRATAFOLIO makes this process easy for you. We display all your investors in one centralized location where you'll be able to quickly drill down into an individual investor and see exactly how their investments are performing, so you can answer questions without hesitation. If you want to take a more hands-off approach, we also offer our Enterprise Tier subscription package, which has a secure investor login where an investor can access only the entities they invested in. They can see their portion of all the income, expenses, cash flow, debt, or equity. This user-level restriction allows you to control the information an investor can see while protecting sensitive information for the rest of your organization. This also means, as the owner, you now have the opportunity to see your own portion of your own investments as well. Finally, you can see exactly what you are making across your own entire portfolio. If you want to get a new loan or refinance an existing one, being able to answer simple questions for your lender is important. Lenders need to know how many investors are guarantors in any particular organization and how many investors have more than 25% ownership. Answering questions like these quickly makes you look in control of your finances, and with that could come better rates. Lenders frequently talk about the difficulty of obtaining timely and accurate records from their customers. Using STRATAFOLIO, you can stand out from the crowd and enjoy better rates. You don't have to purchase another software application to manage your investors. With STRATAFOLIO, just select either the professional or enterprise software subscription, and we will have a package that works for you. Gain the investor confidence you deserve. STRATAFOLIO is your complete real estate software platform for financial management, operations management, asset management, and investor management. Each subscription supports unlimited users, so you can give access to your staff, maintenance team, accountant, or investors if you choose to. We simplify communications and increase productivity for your entire team. Automate your operations to increase your bottom line and focus on growing your business. Reach out to STRATAFOLIO today to talk more about your specific needs through a customized demo. You can reach us at support@stratafolio.com or at 319-214-3092. Thank you.